Hello, this is Brice from GMN Bearing USA. Today I'm going to briefly introduce the topic of precision angular contact bearing preload. These bearings come with an offset between the inner and outer race, as the two red lines here indicate. But for good bearing performance and ball action, those offsets need to be removed. Now, a common method to do this is with some form of axial clamping, like a precision lock nut, as you see here. As this lock nut comes onto the shaft and threads on, it pushes against the inner ring of that right bearing, and it causes the inner ring and the outer ring in the ball to all elastically deform against each other. And that elastic deformation aligns the two raceways. And it also causes that bearing to fully be seated into the shaft and housing. Now you can see here that a load path has been established between the nut and the bearing and the housing, and that load path actually comes across onto the left bearing, fully preloading that one as well. Now, to give you an idea of the offsets, you can see in the cross section that is appearing that first we have the inner and outer rings fully aligned, indicating no preload offset. But if we remove a little bit of material from each side, we can now move to a light preload offset. And you take a little bit more away, and then you go to a medium preload. And then finally, you take a little bit more away, and you are at a heavy preload. And of course, this graphic is exaggerated to show the differences. In reality, the offset is so small it's not noticeable. If you have any questions, please reach out. We'd love to talk with you. You can also check out our ball bearing guide on our website for more information. Thanks for watching.